and welcome back to Flying from the Future. Today I'm teaching you a cool boomerang airplane called Zoomex. There's a version that glides well and a version that boomerangs better. The one that glides better, fold in half and tack the center. Take this point all the way up to there, and then crease. If you're doing the boomerang version, you would want to take this point all the way up here to this point. Then, after completing that step, open it up. And for this version, the fold will look like this. Take this point to the center. So, this is the gliding version, which glides better than boomerangs. It's still boomerangs back, though. This version is the one that boomerangs better and does not glide as well. So open up, then make sure your fold, we're going to take this to this crease. So this edge, it can't be like this. We need this edge to come out of the paper, like that. And so we're gonna basically be folding down from this crease, this part of the crease, which rises up. And then take this version and just do the same if you're doing this version. Now we can fold in half, and everything's going to be the same from now on. I'm going to be doing the boomerang version, showing you the boomerang version. This is the same. So all these steps are the same. If you have trouble throwing it, I'll give you tips at the end. Make sure that matches up. Unfold. Take this edge to the center. Then take this edge to the center. I got mine a little wrong, so I'm gonna redo mine. And fold down, make sure you have about an inch of these layers. Then we're gonna kind of open this up, fold this little tab under, as you can see that on camera. So just move this up, show you what that looks like, and then wings are bubbly, just go out, my tab go on. Now fold in half, make sure layers on the outside on the existing crease. It might be a little hard to fold in half since the layers are pretty thick. But once you get it, it'll turn out great. It's okay if it's a little asymmetrical. It'll still boomerang great. And just take this edge a little bit over the fuselage, the body of the plane, and then there's going to be like a little triangle right there, and then just kind of move the wing down until the triangle disappears. It will look like this on the other side. Then match this wing up. And then fold this about an inch. Just under an inch. Leave a little gap from the bottom. Now, repeat on the other side. And this is what the boomerang version will look like. The glider version will have a little wider wings, if you can tell the difference. And there you have a Finch plane. See you at the flight test. So in order for this plane to boomerang, just throw it sideways. But here's a warning and a slight tip. It will not boomerang all the time. This plane is not consistent. It boomerangs, but not all the time. Sometimes it spins, sometimes it goes up, crashes, but it still sometimes boomerangs. It's more of a stunt plane than a boomerang plane. So in order to get this to stunt, throw it up, might boomerang. Throw it straight, might boomerang. Throw it backwards, definitely won't boomerang. You can throw it upside down, any way you want. But this way is the best way to get this plane to boomerang. Or you can throw it straight. Sometimes it boomerangs, but it turns and mostly just crashes. And here's how it flies. It does wider turns than this, but sometimes it just comes right back to you. It just takes practice to boomerang to you. With a lot of practice, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get this to boomerang. And see you next time for another Flying from the Future video.